John L. Roman is an American television and film producer. His major credits include Chicago Fire, 2012 to 2014, Law and Order: Criminal Intent, 2001 to 2010, and Deadline, 2000 to 2001. Education. Roman studied communications and theater at Oakland University. Career. Roman worked as an assistant director on Groundhog Day, Backdraft, Gunsmoke, The Long Ride, Gladiator and The Untouchables. Filmography. Television. Chicago Fire, 46 episodes, 2012 to 2014. Eden, pilot, 2011. Law and Order: Criminal Intent, 180 episodes, 2001-2010. Conviction, 1 episode, 2006. Deadline, 13 episodes, 2000 to 2001. DC, 7 episodes, 2000. The Untouchables, 1993. Gabriel's Fire, 1990 television movies. Exiled, 1998. Every Mother's Worst Fear, 1998. Daughters, 1997. The Perfect Daughter, 1996. The Crying Child, 1996. The Kid Who Loved Christmas, 1990. The Haunting of Sarah Hardy, 1989 film. Groundhog Day, 1993. Folks, 1992. Straight Talk, 1992. Gladiator, 1992. Backdraft, 1991. Only the Lonely, 1991. Personal life. Roman currently resides in Los Angeles, California. References.